Welcome to Fortune Trail. Today we'll show you how to turn your knowledge into a profitable online course that generates passive income. Let's get started. Creating an online course is one of the most effective ways to earn passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to reach a global audience. Online courses are versatile and can cover any subject you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Let's explore the steps to create your own online course. Step 1. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What expertise do you have that others might find valuable? Popular niches include fiction, self-help, business guides, and cookbooks. If you're unsure, think about what friends and colleagues often ask you for advice on. That could be your niche. Step 2. Research your audience. Understand who your target audience is and what they're looking for. Visit online forums, social media groups, and even other courses to gather insights about their needs and preferences. Knowing your audience helps tailor your course content to meet their expectations and solve their problems. Step 3. Plan your course content. Outline your course structure, breaking it down into modules and lessons. Ensure each section is clear and provides value to your students. Planning ahead helps you stay organized and makes the creation process much smoother. Step 4. Create engaging content. Use a mix of video lessons, slides, quizzes, and assignments to keep your students engaged. High-quality videos and clear audio are essential to maintain professionalism. Incorporate real-world examples and case studies to make the content relatable. Step 5. Choose the right platform. Udemy and Teachable are popular choices, each offering different features. Udemy provides a large marketplace with a built-in audience, making it easier to reach students quickly. Teachable, on the other hand, gives you more control over branding, pricing, and course management. Consider your needs and goals when selecting a platform. Step 6. Upload and publish your course. Follow the platform's guidelines to upload your content. Write a compelling course description that highlights the benefits and what students will learn. Set a competitive price based on the value your course offers and what similar courses are charging. Step 7. Market your course. Use social media, email newsletters, and your own website to promote your course. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers to reach a wider audience. Running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Google can also help attract potential students. Step 8. Engage with your students. Respond to their questions and feedback promptly. Host live Q&A sessions and webinars to provide additional value. A strong instructor-student relationship can lead to positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals, boosting your course's reputation. Step 9. Analyze and improve. Monitor your course's performance using the platform's analytics tools. Gather feedback from students and make necessary improvements to enhance the learning experience. Regular updates and additions to your course can keep it relevant and attract new students. Examples of successful online courses include language learning, fitness programs, and personal finance workshops. Identify what works well and apply those strategies to your course. For instance, a popular language learning course might use interactive lessons and real-life practice scenarios to engage students. Did you know? Successful course creators can earn anywhere from $500 to $10,000 plus per month depending on their niche and marketing efforts. For example, a course on digital marketing might generate $1,000 per month, while a specialized course on advanced coding techniques could bring in $5,000 or more. The sky's the limit. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating and selling your online course. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on generating passive income. Thanks for watching.